You ever start on a project and realizing that it's just going to be a little bit more than what you expected? I'm going to be replacing this faucet right here. Now, I currently have both the cold and the hot open because I wanted to see that these valves will close. Now, the issue is I thought I replaced these valves. Now, these valves are old. This one leaks now, as you can see when I close it. That's all new, so I don't really care about that. That means I have to go open up my main vent and shut off the water, which is not an issue. I mean, I've done it plenty of times. As you can see, I don't really like these one and all units, because sometimes the hose may break or get weakened over time, or the valve itself will start leaking from the handle. Now, I've done my toilets. I haven't done these, and I got 3 sinks, and they're not necessarily fun to do. I don't know if anybody's done any plumbing work, but they're not really fun to do. They're absolutely not. Mainly because, I mean, this one may be a little bit easier. I could probably do this sitting down, hopefully. I mean, it's kind of at my eye level, sitting on the floor. But damn, that's not what I expected to do. All I expected to do was remove the faucet, install the new faucet, and call it a day. Rats. Home ownership is kind of interesting, especially when you have a little bit of skill, so you don't have to call a plumber. Oh well. I guess I better go back to the big box stores and replace 6 water valves or shut-off valves and buy 6 hoses. Man. Oh well. Alright, so I got the replacement shut-off valves in. Not really a task I really wanted to do, but with this one being leaking, and that one also not working, actually both weren't working. As you can see, the faucets are turned off. When I turn it on, they turn off. When I turn it on, I turn it off. Now it's time to replace you. Not really looking forward to this, but the cold doesn't shut off. It just drips and drips and drips. And I've been putting it off and putting it off. And guess what? Today's the day I tackle that. Now, I got 2 more of these and 3 more of those. I'm only going to record this one. And when I get back, hopefully that will be replaced. Now, I'm not doing a tutorial. There's plenty of other videos out there, plenty of other channels that do tutorials. This is just showing my work. Or I'll be back with that installed. Alright, I'm back. So that's all installed. You probably won't be able to see it, but just checking for leaks. And here you go. You got a brand new, cheap, Lowe's special faucet that doesn't leak. Let's see here. Faucet works. Not detecting any leaks. That works. Not detecting any leaks. Awesome. Now, I don't know if I have another one in me for today. Might have to do another one tomorrow. It took a lot of patience out of me. Oh well. Now I will say with the Lowe's special, the washer, well, I'm calling it a washer, it's a little thin piece of metal. I don't know what it's made out of. And the plastic nut is not included. It's just not included. Now what it is included is, well, not this particular piece, but a replacement for this piece. And that may be a future project. Now it's made out of plastic, all that good jazz. But I just don't feel like taking apart this today. Even though I probably should take it apart and clean it. Probably behoove me to do that. But that's a project for another time. And I probably will install that. But this is the 2698 or whatever faucet from Lowe's. Now I got 2 more to install, but I just can't do it today. And that's going to be my video for today. For those that watch, thanks for watching. Hit all the buttons, even the dislike button. Leave a comment down below. All that good stuff, but most importantly, have yourself a wonderful day, morning or evening. Alright, I gotta make a correction. So, I was cleaning up. So, these are the plastic, what I'm calling nuts. So, they were in there. I just didn't look hard enough on my bed when I had this open. Now, this right here comes with the faucet. This is the faucet that I installed. As you can see, it's still there. But this is the plunger that allows it to fill up with water. I kind of have it kind of set up and not really set up. I'm going to do this at another time. But I just wanted to make a correction. I said that these weren't included, but they were indeed included. I just wasn't looking hard enough on the bed, I guess. Just a small correction.